There you go.
Recording. Welcome to day 2. You notice the boat's still dirty because we didn't feel like cleaning it. We didn't get out on it. Here we are. What's this? Wood Street? Yeah, Wood Street. Fuzz's first trip here. Zach, what are you doing?
What?
I said no, goddammit. It's just in case Mom sees the tape.
It's orange.
Zach's mixing up a nice whiskey sour. Oh, oh, oh.
Crown Royal and Bush. What a combination.
Too much opposite.
Yeah, I'm the white trash man. Yeah, there's calm. Day's shitty. Yeah, can that thing... How far does it zoom in? But there's some chick bathing. Here, don't yet.
What?
You got him eventually.
Okay.
Come over here. The girl's staring at me.
She's looking at me.
No, she really is. Look,
She's looking at you.
Hey, what's up? We're at the island finally. We made it at least. That's a good sign. That girl's staring at me with her little taters.
little tots.
That's tater miniature. Tater lotter over there.
We got baked potatoes and little
We're
taters.
chilling at the island. The sun's coming out a little bit. Hopefully it'll burn some of the haze off.
Yeah.
You having fun, Bert? Yeah. That's a good boat.
We eat the motor back there. Where's that at, dude?
That's around there somewhere. That's cool. We're gonna head back and go to the C&D Canal, hopefully.
Here.
Rocks. What are you zooming in on, Zach?
Boat.
Lower.
Don't look at that boat. Look at my boat. Oh shit, you guys are crazy.
Alright, well anyway.
There you go.
Alright, here we
Alright, now act like you're saying something for the camera.
Now we're going to be zooming in on the girl's tits so Jordan can look at them. So I have to talk.
Oh, oh. You're a filthy animal.
How do they look?
Dude, they're bending over, Jack. She yelled that. Say something. Oh, dude, hold on. Dude. Oh, we just missed a little
Too
lip
bad
shot.
even
Hold
if
on.
they wanted to. They
I'll look
could
at it
catch
later.
Oh, damn, the boat's rocking. Shit. Shit. Where's them taters?
Sure grandma's going to love this
Show me
tape.
what you're made of. Huh?
Sure grandma's going to love this tape.
Oh, yeah, definitely. I'm acting like, that ass. Where's the dog? Dude, I zoom in too much. 700's too much for this piece. It's
700.
hurting my shoulder.
That's the maximum.
Where's the dog, dude? Oh, there's a fat dude on the beach. Zach, say something.
There's a fat dude on the beach.
No, don't say that. Oh, shit. You are a bad girl. Oh.
Take it off. Take it all off.
Dude.
Oh, you
Fuzz is going to be doing his favorite pastime to this, dude.
stroke,
Yeah, right?
stroke it.
Oh, that's the wrong way.
There it is.
There you go.
I was gonna,
There you go, Fuzzo. See something for the camera.
gonna be stroking it.
And then the girls are nasty over there. They're dirty girls. Dirty girls. You need to be punished. Watch your fat head, Zach.
Now fags are gone.
Oh, big girl. Alright, that's enough. Alright. Wait, what's today's date?
9 o'clock.
Don't worry about the date.
October?
It automatically
It's
dates on
October.
there already.
Alright.
It's not my fault, my boots.
December, dude.
Look at that. Dude, she's a big girl. She wants to be punished. She's dirty. She needs a shower. With me.
Hold on, dude.
I want to stare at her taters.
Dude, I need to get in here, man.
Fuzz is about to go wax it up and down.
Ground roll.
Wax it. Damn.
Damn.
Ah, my leg.
She saw me looking. She closed them clams. She closed the clam up. She saw me looking. That girl's got a little chub on her bum, but that's alright.
Yeah. All the more cushion for pushing.
She's coming out to talk to us. She's like, what's up? She's like, ooh, Zack Jordan, I'm gonna suck your dicks off.
Somehow she knows her name.
I'll be like, what's up? I'll be like, you're my bitch, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Are you still taping?
Alright. Got it. Look at that. God damn. Move your ass. Yeah,
Yo, I bet you we could give that thing a run.
Oh, yeah.
I bet you we could give it a run. That's not
It comes out that high, dude.
Even if our tail don't come out that much, we'd still be right with that moon. And they
Yeah, we definitely fucking roll.
Record's on.
we rolled it,
I was awesome. Yeah, I didn't think we could get him, but we fucking got him.